my name is Jean and this is my channel Learn with Jean. In today's video, I'm going to talk specifically about how to create your own branded social media templates. As you may have seen in last week's video up here, I talked about how to create your own custom templates. Now that was particularly geared towards people who were creating like course presentations or webinars. This video is geared towards people who want to create social media templates. If you're on Instagram a lot, if you look at an Instagram with a very significant following, you'll notice that all of their reels have a specific look. It's very uniform and consistent. You'll see that the captions are the same kind of style, font, color, and most of the time they're positioned in a certain way. Maybe they'll have a logo. This is all designed for brand consistency and brand guidelines. This is really important because when someone is looking at your Instagram profile, they want to be able to see and watch content very quickly and easily. And when there's a consistent look and feel to your social media reels, it becomes easier to distinguish all the different content on the internet and reference that specific look to your brand and your account. So I'm going to teach you how you can do the same thing that I taught in last week's video, but specifically for social media. The concept will be the same. We're going to apply any kind of colors, logo, and captions so that once you create this template, you can reuse it every time. Let's get started. There are two different ways that you could approach creating a social media template. You could reference the video from before in starting fresh from a new template and creating a template, but make sure for social media and making sure that specifically the portrait layout, because that will give you the vertical style layout that you might see, that you see often in social media reels and YouTube shorts. Some of the other additional aspects that I've covered in my previous video that applies here is that you would want to add a logo and then customize the template with your branding colors and or styles. So maybe you have a logo already. So what I've done is uploaded in an existing logo to save time. And what I want to do is add the logo to my project. So I'm going to add this as a layer. And now you can see this is a giant logo and I can adjust the size and see what is the best way to showcase this logo for my brand. And once I have that, I'm like, okay, cool. This is where I can add color and customize. Like right now it's a gray, but maybe gray doesn't really help my project. I can click on scene, and in the scene you can see that I have different options. Right now it is a gray color, but maybe I want to make all my reels a fun orange color. I want to make all my reels a fun orange color so that it complements my logo. I know right now it's not complementing my logo, but I'm giving you an example of how you might approach it. And then all you have to do next time is then create some text. So this is generated from an AI speech. So I use my AI voice to generate this if I were creating a social media reel. And then the most important thing is captions. I want to pick a style of captions and apply it to this video. In my opinion, I would recommend you choose a style of caption and choose one that you plan to use for all social media because it creates a uniform and custom look that people automatically reference and connect to your brand. Let's pick one for fun, and I'll take a little bit of time to show up because my computer is a little slow. I've already generated some text and you'll see the captions show up. I'm creating a social media template in Descript to demo and show others. And if I like it, I can click on Publish Template. And then I can publish this privately in my drive, or if I feel like I have a style for my social media reels that would really be helpful to other people, I can share it publicly, or I can share it within my drive if I am collaborating with a designer and say, hey, I've been thinking about some ideas and this is what I'm going with. Feel free to iterate and make some changes and then click on Publish Template, and that is how you have created a template. The other way is if you go to New Template, it will give you the option to pick a existing YouTube video that you can paste, you can import from Zoom, and you can also browse and look for a file on your computer. As you can see here, I can upload a file, I can paste a link from YouTube, I can record or use AI speech, import from Zoom, all these different options so that Descript will transcribe the file, and then I can turn this layout into a portrait for social media, and then follow the same steps to work with a scene, to add color, to add my logo, and then I can click on Publish Template. So those are the two ways that you can go about creating a social media template in Descript. Let me know if this helps. Send me any feedback, questions, and I'd love to make any more videos. So if you have a specific request, don't be shy, send me an email and I'm happy to record a video for you. Thank you for watching, and feel free to support my channel with the affiliate link in the description